Patong, Patong, Patong Beach. Fucking paradise, man. Cheap, 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 cheap. Mustache. Suit, suit. Same, same. Nothing's really straight. Can't see it, but it looks like it's gonna pour. So pretty much what I just did is I just did like a 40-50 minute lap from my hotel down the main street in Patong, Phuket, down Bangalore Road, which is where all the neon lights and stuff were. That there wasn't really as many people as there are gonna be in about 3 hours. Just to show, you know, all kinds of fucking shit going on here, man. If you can think of it, it goes on here. If you want to buy it, it's here. If you want to sell it, everything. Never seen so many soup shops, restaurants, fucking massage parlors open, prostitutes everywhere after 12 o'clock at night. I don't know if I'd be able to take the camera to do that one. But, yeah. You get what I'm saying. Cheap, cheap. And if you're not an idiot and you're buying this and buying that and buying this every day, then your money will last you a while. Rent here is like 6,000 to 7,000 baht. So 3,000 baht is $100. So it's about 200 bucks a month for rent. With TV, satellite, air conditioning, the whole works. You can eat for, say, $2.50, $3 a day or less. If you're like me, cheap. Graceland Resort. So yeah, basically I'm just doing like a square lap down the main street, down Bangalow, up Patong Beach Road, and down this one that's across from where my hotel is. Guest house, whatever. Maybe I'll do one tomorrow in the daytime for the beach, just to kind of show. One security guard that don't even speak English. Another security guard that you can give him $100, 100 baht to get in there. Big security here. That over there is a cemetery. Daytime you see a bunch of monks down there. Cemetery in the middle of the busiest tourist place in all of Phuket Island and probably most of Thailand. Which is crazy. Now up here on this corner, before I make the corner up, see that white wall is in the distance. There's usually a bunch of chairs with hookers on there too, so people from the hotel I guess don't have to go far. Some strange looking fucking people here, man. No laundry. I mean, no ticket. No laundry. Yeah, I don't see the chairs out right now. I think it's too early. It's still only 9 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah, right there where that guy is, in the corner. Fucking tourist land here. construction site. There's my hotel across the street there. Right there, see? Exactly where we stayed.